Here's the deadlift. Dr. Hunt is going to start shoulder width apart once again. The weight's going to be distributed on his heels. Before he goes down to reach down, he's going to tighten up his midline, get in a really good posture. Yeah, get the shoulders down and back. He's going to go onto his heels, bring his hip back, keep his knees out to the side, tracking over the toes. He's going to go down and reach for his dumbbell. Good. Before he comes up, he's going to make sure that he's going to use the back of his legs to lift the dumbbell off the floor. Go ahead. Great job. Stand up and finish straight. Good. Now to go back down, he's going to get his hip out again. There we go. And bend at the knee. Perfect. Good. Notice how his shoulders are directly on top of the dumbbell, which is exactly what you want. Go ahead. Good. Last thing to consider, you want to make sure that the dumbbell stays really close to your body. You don't want it to be out here. You want it to be as close as possible to your legs the whole way up. Great job. You should feel this through your heels throughout the entire movement. Perfect.